I get migraines, so I can comment on this. Is there any evidence? No. It's helped me immensely. My migraines are postural. So mine come from an impingement in C5, C6. So it has helped me a lot with muscle wastage around the area, but also strengthening up the muscles that support the posterior chain, which has allowed me to resolve a lot of the migraine issues. So depending on what actually, like, if I guess mine would be technically classified as tension headaches, but it depends on what the root cause of your migraines are, if they're neurological or if they are like postural headaches. So testosterone will have a lot of mechanisms that will support your migraines. It won't take them away because it's not going to act like an opioid or anything like that. But testosterone will antagonize a lot of the effects of stress. So it's going to help with not only the stress hormone cascade of being in pain, potentially chronically if you get them a lot, but it's also going to help support a body that is in pain a lot. Because when we're looking at chronic inflammation has a lot of negative deleterious effects on the body. And if we're looking at something like a migraine, which is a very strong inflammatory, excitotoxic experience, this is something that is going to negatively impact the production, synthesis, as well as accelerate the reuptake of dopamine, which is a three-pronged combination to lead you to feel like shit. So testosterone is going to help support someone who is in pain a lot, and depending on the root cause of the pain, it may also help with that, but it depends on where it's coming from. The things that I have found that have helped me the most with my migraines, outside of working on the actual movement-based things, are antioxidant supplements. So we're looking at things going, okay, when we're in a migraine pain storm, while taking painkillers helps. I try not to take painkillers personally. But the things that have helped me is CBD oil, which again, it won't take the migraine away, but it helps. But using something like, I didn't prepare this before, by the way, it was just here. Something like this, just an antioxidant complex. So this is like a Now Foods super antioxidant. It's cheap, it's effective. And what that's going to do is when your brain has elevated excitotoxicity from the chronic pain and a potentially increased levels of glutamate, again, it's not going to completely take the migraine away, but if you find that you can do maybe some exercises, some CBD oil, some antioxidants, even things like injectable glutathione as well, those things in combination might be able to bring the pain down by 20, 30, 40%. That allows you to cope or manage with it to the point that you don't need to take strong painkillers or you can get through the day.